Have you ever tasted aioli, that creamy garlic sauce that elevates sandwiches and seafood dishes? Today we're diving deep into the origins and science behind this Mediterranean staple. Aioli is a cold sauce originally from the northwest Mediterranean, consisting of an emulsion made with garlic and olive oil. It's often confused with mayonnaise due to its creamy consistency, but differs in taste and ingredients. Mayonnaise, on the other hand, is made from oil, egg yolks, and an acid like vinegar or lemon juice. It has a neutral taste and uses vegetable oil instead of olive oil, making it versatile for various dishes. To make aioli, blend mayo with garlic cloves and lemon juice. This process creates a rich flavor profile that enhances the taste of sandwiches and other foods. Aioli is often used as a dip or spread on sandwiches, providing a garlic boost to dishes like grilled meats and seafood. Its creamy texture and intense flavor make it a popular condiment. While both aioli and mayonnaise are creamy, aioli's garlic component sets it apart. It complements dishes needing an extra flavor kick, making it a preferred choice for enhancing the taste of grilled foods. In summary, aioli is more than just garlic mayonnaise. It's an essential condiment in Mediterranean cuisine, providing a rich taste that elevates simple dishes to something extraordinary. Now you know the difference between aioli and mayonnaise. Which do you prefer in your sandwiches? Share your favorite uses of aioli in the